In this video, we're going to take a look at the FOIL method. The FOIL method is used when you have to multiply a binomial times a binomial. First, though, let's take a look at the distributive property. The distributive property is when you take a factor that's outside the parentheses and multiply it by each term inside the parentheses. In this example, we would take the 6 times the x to get 6x, and the 6 times the 2 to get 12. That distributes the 6 to both terms inside the parentheses. FOIL method is repeated distributive property. The F says to multiply the first term in each set of parentheses together. The O is telling you to multiply the outer terms. The I is telling you to multiply the inner terms. And the L is telling you to multiply the last terms in each set of parentheses. Let's apply that to the problem from the beginning. The F is telling us to multiply the 2x and the 3x together, the first term in each set of parentheses. 2x times 3x gives us 6x squared. The O is telling us to multiply the outer two terms. That gives us 2x times negative 7, so negative 14x. The I is telling us to multiply the inner two terms. 5 times 3x gives us 15x. And the L is telling us to multiply the last terms. 5 times the negative 7 gives us negative 35. I've written all of these vertically so they match up with the F, O, I, and L. Now I'm going to write them horizontally so that I can combine like terms here. I have a negative 14x and a positive 15x, and I'm going to put those together. I'm going to just bring down the 6x squared and the 35. I have 6x squared. Negative 14x plus the 15x gives me a positive 1x. When your coefficient is 1, you don't write it. It's just understood to be there. So I'm going to put plus x. Bring down the negative 35, and we have 6x squared plus x minus 35 after we FOIL. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and give this a try. Let's see how you did. For the first terms, we multiply 4x times 5x to get 20x squared. The O is telling us to multiply the outer terms, so we're going to multiply the 4x times 10 to get 40x. The I is telling us to multiply the inner terms. Negative 1 times 5x is going to give us negative 5x. And L is telling us to multiply the last terms. Negative 1 times 10 gives us negative 10. This one also has like terms. We can combine negative 40 or positive 40x and negative 5x. When we simplify this, we have 20x squared. The 40x and the negative 5x becomes 35x. And bring down minus 10. When you FOIL the quantity 4x minus 1 times the quantity 5x plus 10, it will simplify to 20x squared plus 35x minus 10. Thank you for watching, and follow me for more math explanations.